Guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS table, tabled, overflow, border collapse, text align, and more. Let's start coding. I'm going to create a table for you guys. TH for header, let's say first name, and another TH last name, and then another one H. And that one is header of our table. Let me save it. You see header of our table. Let's create rest of values. Another tr and td. Let's say John and Doe and tdh. Let's say 30. And let's create another one. Jane Doe 30. Let's save it. We see our table. Let's assign some CSS for our table. Border to pixel dot and perfect. And let's save it. You see the changes. Let's assign border to our TD. TD border to pixel solid and blue. Let's save it. We assign CSS to our TD. Let's assign CSS to TH. Border to pixel solid and red and save it. You can assign CSS like this, or you can assign CSS at once. Let's say TD and TH, and let me remove those things. Let's save it. You see guys, you assign CSS 3 different area at once, table, TD and TH. Let's assign CSS just table. Let's assign some background color for header. TH background color purple and color white. And save it. Let's make it our table 100% with 100% and let's save it. Let's make it our value centered. I just need to use TD and text align center and save it. I also want to show border collapse. Let me edit border collapse and save it. You see guys, that's the difference. Let me show the other one. Border collapse, let's say separated and save it. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.